What is up, y'all? It's me again, your boy Jay at Beamer Beast. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace your trim piece for your steering wheel. So it's very easy. I'm gonna show you all the steps that you need to do. So without further ado, let's get right to it. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do. So you see this steering wheel right here? I'm not gonna take this steering wheel off, but what I'm showing you how to do is this trim piece, this piece right here, and this piece right here. I'm gonna show you how to install these and make sure all the connectors and the buttons work and everything. So I don't need this, but I'm gonna just show you how and I'll take it out before I start. I'll use something like this, like an all-around type of tool. I'll use a flat, and then behind the steering wheel, there's two holes at the back. There's one right here, and there's another one right here. And it has like a little open part too, so you can stick this in. So what you would do is you would hold it sideways like this. Make sure it's flat, like that, not this way, even though it's easy because it's slim, but make it that way. And the reason why is because once it go in, these two right here, that metal part right here and that metal part, it gotta push back, and I'm gonna show you what I mean by that. So I'll put this back here like so, and if you look closely, watch how this thing right here pushes back. So I'm gonna put this in. Like they look. Right at this, it's kind of hard to adjust the camera, but this right here, you're supposed to see it move. See it move? You can see it wiggle. So what you do is that I'll do it on one side and I'll do it on the other side. Once those move, that's where I'm able to loosen the airbag right here, and I can pull it out so I can get behind it and add this, unplug what I need to do. And also the reason why I'm doing this is because, as you can see, if you look at these parts, you see the white right here, the white right here. I don't know if you got a good angle. Right here, like, there you go. See, all this right here. So what I did is I had a replacement and I spray painted this myself. So it's not really the best, but you know, it looks way better than that. So I'm gonna put this on, and on top of that, this has a crack. It's like, you can't really see it, but it has a crack on the top right here, like it's breaking off. So this whole piece trim I'm gonna replace, and I'm gonna show you how to do it for all y'all details out there. Alright, so the screw, I took everything off. As you can see, this is getting loose. I'm not gonna need this. So like I said, I'm gonna do it to this part right here. I apologize, you guys. I also forgot to mention, when it comes to electrical stuff like that, always unplug the battery, so you don't want no damaged fuse or any electrical issues, major issues, nothing blowing up in your face. So I wouldn't be up here. Always disconnect the battery. There you go. There you go. All right. Now I got that out of the way. So, like I told you, those two screws, I press it inwards, and then it comes right out like this. But don't take it out all the way. You gotta be careful because I got two connectors right here. So, how to safely remove these two? So you get your flathead again, and then you would, let me get something skinnier because it's kind of tight. You would pry it open between the yellow and the green. So you just be careful. Just try to stick it in there like that, and just open it up a little like that. I wish I could zoom in to make it see it better, but it's kind of hard to do it, record by myself. But that's what you do. So just listen to what I'm saying. You would just stick it in, carefully pry it open like that. Now that you do that, it's loose. When it's loose, now you can unplug it. There. Airbag is gone. So now that's out the way. What you do is you get, it's kind of hard to show you, so I'm gonna just demonstrate on the other one. So what I'm gonna do is that there's two screws right here. There's one screw right here, and there's another screw right here. I already took it off this one, but I'm gonna show you. That's what I'm gonna do to this one. There's a screw right here. There's a screw right here. You unscrew those two, and then once you unscrew that, you'll loosen the top part right here. This part begins to fall off because it connects to these two right here. And then for the bottom piece right here, which is this piece that I'm about to put on, there's two screws right here, but the only way to access it is if you go to the back, and there's two screws. Mine is still on it because I loosened it, but you can't see nothing right here. There's nothing right here. So it's on the back. So once you do those four, 1, 2, 3, 4, then everything just comes right off. So that's what I'm gonna do. See, it's broken, you can tell. It's already broken, but there's a connector. You disconnect the connector right here. This little piece comes straight off, but see? It was already broken, so that's why I'm trying to show you how to. This is the reason why I'm making this video. So you can tell, look how dirty this is, all messed up, rusty, whatever you call it. Heavy signs of age. So this is old. And this is the new one. So you can tell the top, no crack, everything's good. This one is good, it's gloss black. So an easily replacement. So this connector right here, you will put it right in here. Very simple. So you snap it in. So that is good. And then you just place it right here, like so. You just place it right, make sure it fits every corner. Might have to push it in, add a little force a little bit. Take your time. So now that's good. This is good. Now for the bottom piece, just paste it on like that. So now it's good. Simple as that. Then you get your 2 screws. It's kind of hard to see, but at least you know what I'm talking about. Screw it right back on. So now this part is tight. The bottom part is still loose. So now it tightens. See? It's not coming off. The top part may be a little bit loose, but once I put the airbag back in, it's right back on. Real tight. So that should be good. Now, how to put the airbag right back on. It's very simple. So you grab your airbag, you look at the back, and you match the colors. Obviously this is black and this one is green. Black, green. So you just carefully put it right back how you saw it. So this is facing this way, so make sure this faces that way. Oh no, I accidentally locked it back. I need to open this back up. Okay. So it's like a little thing, you just push it back in to lock in. I accidentally locked it, so okay, so it's going like this, and then you put it back in. You put it in like that, and then you press it down. Now it's locked in. Same for the other one. Push it in, and then you lock it in. Now it's in. Now these 2 parts, these 2 black parts, then you just carefully put it right back in. So once you put it back in, now it's back in. And all you gotta do is just give it one good push. 1, 2, 3. That's on one side, and then push on the other side. 1, 2, 3, push. There. Now it's good. Now to test it, make sure the horn works, the buttons turn on, everything, and then that's about it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the battery back on, which I'm about to do and show you. Okay, so I put the battery back in. So I'm gonna test it. All right, you can see this is the old stuff. I put the old one back, crack and everything. Everything's right there. Now to test it. Hold on. Let this start up. Let me see. I press the cruise. Cruise, turn on. Let me see. Once it's booted up, you'll see how everything works. Radio. Okay. Oh, now it wanna work. Let me see if I put it to like 102 jams or something. Volume up and down. Volume up. Okay. So pretty much everything works. This is for the cruise control. So when I'm driving, I can press up and down to let the accelerate gas, let it drive at a constant speed to however I choose. This to change the music or change whatever. See? It changes up and down or down, whatever. So that's about it. So yeah, like I said, the video is very easy, a simple task. The results is good, everything works. So I hope you guys find this video very helpful. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.